When I was asked, are we going to do anything new? Are we going to take any new measures? My response was no. We have said this months ago, but it would appear that persons weren't listening or did not understand or didn't care to understand. But the government, in managing our strategies here, Madam Speaker, we have been very careful and very strategic, planning well in advance. So, Madam Speaker, there was no need for us to examine new measures. Having looked at what was happening in other countries, looked at our own capacities, which we had planned for here and built up, so there was no need to come with tighter measures. We had already explained to the country that we would not go back to lockdowns. That argument done. There seems to be those who want us to go back to that. We're not going back to that. We want to give the business people, the small enterprises, the average Jamaican, we want to give them certainty that we can emerge out of this pandemic. The pandemic has created a great deal of uncertainty in our lives. I know the trepidation that many people feel when I rise to speak in Parliament. Lord, I'm going to lock down the country again. We have to come out of that mode now. And therefore, we are clear. The measures that are in place, they are set at a particular point where they will allow the controlled return to normalcy, but they are still there to protect us if there were to be an extreme or unpredicted event. And we will continue, as we have declared here, until the 10th of February. We'll watch up until that point, maintaining these measures. And then we will, at that point, make a determination. It could be that we keep the current measures in place, or we may loosen them a little bit. Let's see how those graphs evolve.